MLOPS, short for Machine Learning Operations, is an emerging practice that combines data science and software engineering to streamline the deployment and management of machine learning models. It aims to bridge the gap between data scientists and IT teams, enabling efficient delivery of robust and reliable ML models. MLOPS encompasses various stages in the ML lifecycle, including data collection, model development, training, deployment, and monitoring. It emphasizes automation, collaboration, and reproducibility to ensure ML systems are scalable and maintainable. At its core, MLOps emphasizes the use of version control, continuous integration and delivery (CI/CD), and DevOps practices to facilitate seamless collaboration and smooth integration of ML models into production environments. By implementing MLOps, organizations can enhance model performance, reduce time to market, and increase operational efficiency. It enables data scientists to focus on building models by providing them with standardized tools, frameworks, and infrastructure. Moreover, MLOps incorporates real-time monitoring and feedback loops, ensuring models operate effectively in production and can be continuously improved. In summary, MLOps is a discipline that combines data science and software engineering principles to operationalize ML systems effectively. It enables organizations to deploy,